Hi everyone. For this question, we're going to find the general solution of each of the following differential equations. So look at our differential equations here. We can see the variable of x and variable of y is in raw factor. So this is a factor of y, this is a factor of x. So when it is factorized completely in their one bracket here, one variable here, so these questions can be solved by using separable method. Okay, so this is a factor of y, this is a factor of x. So for this, we're going to move our factor of y to the left hand side, and factor of x remain at right hand side, and dx we move to the right hand side. Then we start integrate both sides. So to integrate this fraction, so y squared, if you want to check fx, f prime x, so your function is y squared minus 1. When we differential function, we get 2y. So it's supposed not getting 2 only. Alright, so means this fraction we cannot just integrate using formula. We need to solve it using integration by part. Integration by technique. So technique of integration that we'll use here in fraction is partial fraction. So partial fraction, we take out this fraction, and denominator we factorize it completely. Y minus 1, y plus 1, so that we can split according the factor. We have factor of y minus 1 and factor y plus 1. So when we have linear factor, up here is constant a, linear factor up here is constant b, then we build out an equation where a multiply with the factor it don't have, which is y plus 1, where b multiply with the factor it don't have, which is y minus 1. Then we start to let two unknown, let the y to be the roots, let's say negative 1, and y to be 1, so that we can find out these two constant here. So negative 1 we get 0, so b we get negative 1, and when we substitute 1, we get 2a, b is 0, so a is 1. So therefore, our partial fraction can be expressed in 1 over y minus 1 and 1 over y plus 1. So we consider this partial fraction in the integration. So we start integrate 1 over y minus 1 plus 1 over y plus 1 dy. For the right hand side, integrate 3x squared dx. So integrate 1 over linear, both will give us the formula of 6, which is answer of ln. So this is ln y plus 1, and integrate independent x here, just power plus 1 over new power can be simplified. Then finally finish integration with plus c for this undefined integral. So the next procedure is we're going to simplify the solution as y as a subject. So we try to simplify log plus log here. When we have log plus log, means item will be in multiplication. Sorry, this is negative. So ln minus ln, our item here will be in division. Then we start to unlock. Unlock, it gives us leaving y minus 1, y plus 1. So this one e to the power of x cubed plus c. So at the same time, y minus 1 over y plus 1, it is equals to ex cubed plus c means times ec, and this can be simplified as e. Then we do cross multiplication as y times out will become y times aex cubed plus aex cubed. So this is 1. And we collect back our term of y here. This is our term of y. So y minus y aex cubed equals to aex cubed plus 1. So 1 move to the right hand side become plus, and we factorize out our y. So lastly, our y will be aex cubed plus 1 over 1 minus aex cubed. So therefore, this is our general solution with y as a subject, and all is in terms of x. So that's all for these questions. Thank you for watching.